Hey guys, agenda video for day 6, April 7th, Tuesday. Hopefully you guys are getting outside. I know I am today. It's beautiful. Hopefully today is good for you as well because I do make these videos in advance. So today is really nice. So just going to go over what you need to do today. Make sure you are following the schedule. Some of us are not handing things in. Hopefully you are one of those that are handing things in. And make sure you're following the schedule so you're not doing things ahead of the game, okay? Make sure you're following it so that way you're also not getting overwhelmed, okay? You're only supposed to do a couple things a day. Don't want you to do too much. So, day 6, we're going to do now number 6. Just so you know, I did figure out some things on Google Classroom just like we all are. And if we are extended after spring break, I did set up a new way of doing the do now, so we don't have to do any of that copy and pasting again. Go Miss Russ. But we'll go over that later on. So do now, make sure you go into your do now assignment. Okay, go in there. We're going to do that today. Let's click on the do now so that way I can go over it. So do now, just want to click on it. It might be looking a little bit different because this is my screen for you guys. But we'll go over the do now today. So today is day 6. I'm going to scroll down a bit. So day 6, what is the ancient city on the Indus River in India called? Okay, so you can go back and figure out what that city was called on the Indus River in India. That was probably from our reading yesterday. So make sure you go back and do that, okay? So today, after your do now, you're going to read the Newsy LA article on archaeology, okay? So just to go over how to get to that, we'll go back to our classwork. You're going to go down, all the way down to Newsy LA. All right, your Newsy LA article will be here, and then your quiz will be up here. All right, so make sure you're reading or listening to the video that will be posted as well of me reading the article and then doing the quiz right after that. All right, super simple day. Do your do now, do your Newsy LA article, and I will see you guys tomorrow.